How to apply an Instacart shopper referral code from an affiliate. Hey there, gig workers. Welcome back to Best Referral Driver. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to apply an Instacart shopper referral code from an affiliate. Stick around as we walk you through the process step by step, so you can start reaping the benefits of referral codes and maximizing your earnings on Instacart. Understanding referral codes. First, let's quickly go over what referral codes are and why they're essential. Referral codes, such as those found on Best Referral Driver, are unique codes provided by affiliates that new shoppers can use during the sign-up process. These codes offer bonuses or incentives for both the new shopper and the affiliate, making them valuable tools for boosting earnings on Instacart. Finding a referral code. The first step is to find a referral code from Best Referral Driver, where you'll find the best referrals for drivers and delivery drivers. The unique aspect of Best Referral Driver is that the referral code is embedded within the URL itself. This means you don't need to enter it manually during the sign-up process, making the process seamless and hassle-free. Applying the referral code. Here's how to apply a referral code from Best Referral Driver. Access the URL. Simply click on the referral link provided by Best Referral Driver, link on the comments, to access the Instacart sign-up page. The referral code is embedded within the URL, so there's no need to enter it manually. Complete the sign-up process. Fill out the required information to create your shopper profile and agree to Instacart's terms and conditions. Once you've completed the sign-up process, you'll automatically receive the benefits associated with the referral code embedded in the URL. Enjoying the benefits. Congratulations, you've successfully applied a referral code from Best Referral Driver. Now, you can start enjoying the benefits, which may include bonuses, incentives, or other rewards offered by Instacart. Keep in mind that referral code benefits may vary depending on current promotions and terms. Tips for success. Here are a few tips to make the most of your referral code experience. Share your own referral code. Once you're an active shopper, share your own referral code with friends, family, and potential shoppers to earn additional bonuses. Stay updated. Keep an eye out for new referral code opportunities and promotions from Best Referral Driver or Instacart to maximize your earnings. Provide great service. Ultimately, providing excellent service to customers is the best way to maximize your earnings and opportunities as an Instacart shopper. Conclusion. In conclusion, applying an Instacart shopper referral code from Best Referral Driver is a simple and convenient way to earn bonuses and incentives as a new shopper. By accessing the referral link provided by Best Referral Driver, you can seamlessly apply the referral code without the need for manual entry. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other shoppers. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping! Stay tuned to Best Referral Driver for more tips, tutorials, and insights to help you succeed as an Instacart shopper. See you in the next video.